Does Monzo have Zelle? Hook. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Monzo have Zelle? Context. Before we get into the answer, let's talk a little bit about what Zelle is. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly from your bank account. It's a great way to pay friends, family, and even businesses. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Monzo have Zelle? Answer. The answer is no, Monzo does not have Zelle. However, Monzo does have its own peer-to-peer payment service called Monzo Link. Monzo Link allows you to send and receive money to and from other Monzo users instantly. Comparison. Here's a quick comparison of Zelle and Monzo Link. Zelle. Available at over 1,000 banks and credit unions. Can be used to send and receive money from anyone with a bank account in the U.S. Fees, free to send and receive money. Monzo Link. Only available to Monzo users. Can be used to send and receive money to and from other Monzo users. Fees, free to send and receive money. Conclusion. So, if you're looking for a peer-to-peer payment service that's available to everyone, then Zelle is the better option. However, if you're only interested in sending and receiving money to and from other Monzo users, then Monzo Link is a good option. Additional information. You can learn more about Zelle here, https://www.zellepay.com. You can learn more about Monzo Link here, invalid URL removed. Monzo is also working on adding support for other peer-to-peer payment services, so it's possible that Zelle will be available in the future. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, I encourage you to check out my other videos on the channel. I've made videos about how to open a Monzo account, how to use Monzo Link, and much more. Thanks for watching. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Additional tips. You can also use Monzo Link to pay bills and split costs with friends. Monzo Link is available on both the Monzo app and the Monzo website. You can also use Monzo Link to send and receive money internationally. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful.